Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam Sangma announced the formation of a fact-finding committee to address several critical issues in the state schools. The committee will investigate low enrollment rates, the presence of proxy teachers and the condition of school infrastructure. Sangma acknowledged that the state's education system, especially at the lower primary level, is struggling and needs significant improvement. High dropout rates and poor teacher performance are contributing to the problem. The committee's finding will guide future policy decisions to enhance educational outcomes in Meghalaya.
Request every stakeholders, every teachers, every businessman, every students, friends, anybody, be church leaders, be any NGO leaders, just to encourage, not only with the program. I would urge them, request them to encourage any dropout students to come back to the school. Right now, if you see any beautiful boy and a girl, if she don't know how to write, how to sign, it will be very, very embarrassment to her and to him. Because I think education is not only about a job, but it is only about how to learning how to live. So there are many. It is not about the government job. If you educated people knows the way.
Cabinet Minister Rakam Sangma